How to apply for a Discover credit card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're looking for a new credit card, well here is how to apply for a Discover card online from your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here, you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from the top menu, you simply have to select the credit cards and then browse the available card and select the one that you want. And here, once you're done with it, on the next page, you simply have to click apply now and fill in your personal information, employment details and financial information. And with that, you need to review the interest rates, fees, and reward programs before submitting your application. And with that, you need to submit your application and wait for Discover instant and near instant approval decision. And if approved, you'll receive your new card by mail within a few business days. And that's it. That's how you can apply for a new Discover credit card online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.